Welcome to this edition of Burn Tech University, presented by United States Stove Company. Always refer to your owner's manual for maintenance and operational guidelines. This video is for informational purposes only. If you are unsure about replacing any of the components on this stove, we recommend having a certified electrician or stove technician do this for you. In today's video, we will show you how to properly replace the igniter in your KP130, VG130, or AP130 pellet stove. For today's project, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, a zip tie, and a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. 1. Before you begin, allow the stove to go through the shutdown process. Once it is cool and all components have turned off, unplug the stove. 2. Start by removing the 7 screws securing the back panel. Once removed, lay the back panel aside. 3. Locate the zip tie that is holding the component wires in a bunch and cut the zip tie or ties. 4. Locate the wires coming from the igniter cartridge and disconnect them. 5. You will now need to uninstall the auger motor to gain access to the igniter. To detach the auger motor, pull the cotter pin located between the auger motor and the bottom of the auger shaft. Support the motor while you are removing the cotter pin. Once the pin is removed, lay the auger motor down on the empty area in the back of the stove. 6. Using your 1/8 inch Allen wrench, loosen the set screw on the outside of the igniter tube. The set screw does not need to be completely removed. 7. You should now be able to easily slide the igniter cartridge towards you and out of the igniter tube. 8. Insert the new igniter cartridge inside the tube. Be sure the cartridge is recessed 1/4 inch inside the opening of the igniter tube inside the burn pot area. Remove the burn pot and check the position before the set screw is tightened. 9. Once the cartridge is in place, use your Allen wrench to tighten the set screw. Do not over-tighten it. Tighten it just enough so that the cartridge is secure. 10. Now you should reattach the auger motor. Align the holes on the end of the auger shaft and auger motor and reinsert the cotter pin. 11. Attach the new igniter cartridge wires to their corresponding connectors. 12. Gather all the component wires, straighten them, and bunch them together so that they are out of the way of any components. Make sure they are secure but still have enough slack so that they will not put strain on the connectors or the control panel. Secure them using a zip tie and cut away any excess length on the end of the zip tie. 13. Replace the back panel and secure it with the 7 screws that were removed. 14. Plug the stove back in, press the on button, and check for proper operation. Once again, this video is for informational purposes only. We strongly recommend a certified electrician or stove technician do any repairs for you. If you need further assistance or have any questions, please visit us at www.usstove.com or give us a call at 1-800-750-2723.